Oh god. Oh god, I was trying to revive him. I really did try. Oh, that's awful. I'm so sorry. Oh god. Puppies! Do not fetch my soul.
Not on the big screen.
Oh, it's in the alleyway. Oh. Gotta go all the way out there and then by those doors. Ugh. Just, Zombie glitch, gonna get on the dog glitch. Get on the dog glitch. Look at this dog glitch. Dog glitch. Oh, bye. Oh, they're right there. Wow. Oh, not fair. What the jizz muffin? What is that even? Wouldn't even be very good. Would not be good at all. This is so weird. Yes. Dolphin. Oop. Dolphin dive fail. Yeah, nobody linked that, buddy, so you're not gonna go anywhere. Let's get Juggernaut. Let's get Juggernaut. Yeah, it's in that alley.
She sounds like a sweet
Alley. Oh, wow. He was still contemplating it. That's awful. Hey, knife. Didn't even kill him. What you doing there, buddy? I think he's a gymnastic. He's obviously that guy. And from the Olympic team, that's, yeah. There's his friend. He has no head. It's something he was born with. That's what people would make like remarks to him. Do you have no brain? And he actually had no brain. So, oh god. Ah, people. Hey, this is gonna be funny. Trap. It's a trap. Dang right it is. Whoa. Too close. Whoa. What is that? I'm so scared. See if we can get these two hooligans. Oh, one guy died. It's never good. Oh, there goes the other guy. Hey, they're alive. We will be victorious as long as I don't die. Because then we're pretty much done for. It's level 9. We're not even that high. And people are dying. They've died twice. Like, come on, man. Come on, man. Look at all these. Look at that. That right there is a zombie massacre. You know what that is? That's a zombie massacre. That's all for me. And the electric trap that kills them all. But mainly it was from me. Whoa. Juggernaut is a lifesaver in this. Like, for reals. And that guy is down again. And again, I don't plan to save him. Ah, no! Bad zombie. Okay, there was a guy through there. Grenade. Whoa. Run, jump, run, jump, Run. Eat this. Yeah. Woo. I just killed like 12 billion. Oh. Those guys are not doing so well. It's really tragic how that happened. They're paralyzed from their... Guess they can still crawl. Might need some fake legs or something. O'Reilly. Auto parts. Where's this guy? I'm gonna go link the pad, if you know what I mean. Just doing some calculating for the box. Yeah. Just don't ask. It's just bad. Sorry about that. I was reading the phone. I am almost out of ammo, so I'm gonna have to run here. Oh, this guy bought the door. Wow. 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 Just wow. Wow. We're gonna have to make our way down here. Let's see. Oh, it's a little pricey. It's pricey and all. Could have just went the other way for 1,750 instead of. Oh, commando! Yash! Yash! Oh, and I got it again. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I do not plan to die. Oh, and that guy got the thunder gun. Wow, what luck. That guy tried base jumping. Yeah, it didn't work. Mustard gas. Now Zero's possible. Oh, it's not safe in here. Yo, Toadie. Talk dirty to me, yo. Now Zero's possible. I think the little, the dot thing, this little crosshair to zoom in, one time it was green. Like, does it just change colors? I think it's different colors of different ray guns. Yeah. Picking up when I'm laying down. Probably not, though. Adieu. I want to upgrade this ray gun. You run weird with it. It's like, and then with this, it's like, it's more like, it's just a little up. It's like, see the difference? There's a difference. You couldn't see it. I mean, so on level 11 right now, got Juggernaut, Ray Gun, Commando, and those guys have 4 downs each. I have 0 downs, so these guys are really good. But one guy's got the thunder gun though, so if he gets down, I probably won't save him. But I'm just saying that he shouldn't get down.